Okay guys, starting, let's go start. Group B, relic B sound. Oh wow, what a wheel rounding. Wow, amazing. Oh, my favorite music genres Group B. Group B late regularly which allow to experience it which case competition with the abdomen with the award. Okay. Mm. What a car and what a music, what a sound of a car. Wow. Hmm. Good. Wow. That is amazing, guys. Amazing. Wow. Oh, what a sound and what a car. Amazing car. I love this car and this trap. I am my dream. I drive car on this trap and like this car. Yes. Oh wow. Amazing. Wow. Oh, what a sound. Wow. Amazing. Oh. Yeah, wow. Oh, wow. What a speed and what a sound and what a car drive. A man is not a man, it's a Superman. Yes. Oh. Oh wow, wow, everyone side. Oh wow. Ooh, that is amazing. Oh wow. Amazing guys, amazing. What a crazy sound and what car drive and this trap is more beautiful, more engaging. This is a my trap and water and this is a very amazing and very interesting drive to this trap. And easy way, not hardly because we are not pro driver. I am a simple driver and you also if you want to drive in this trap and this car with this car, yes, in 2026. Oh wow, I think this is also one car and his sound is very great. Listen now. Wow, amazing now, amazing. Always I rate 10 out of 10. If you want any rate, please comment in below. I know rate your comments as possible as early. Not real friends is something that below my mind with this. Yes, you spin, you lost at best. Yes, my favorite. I can know already. My favorite is like this one. I bought because I bought be back wonderful memes for my tasty ears watching the international Roy Group A and Group B coming straight place over place past over place. Yes. Oh wow, what a speed of car. When you given car engine as blank check, wow, it get insane the sound of 205 as impressions. Imagine that what performance figure of Group B. Cars would have had if the FIA had not changed the rule. Yes, obviously. That is amazing sound vibes. The 6R4 show it 4. Yes, guys, you know I did some comments of new ideas. Gossips days. Okay. I remember 1984 very well. Spring strength it was amazing. Okay. Guys, all of you comment in the below and like and subscribe for the more video. I hope you like this reaction and this reaction. Yes. Oh wow! What a car, guys! Chimak car. This is a chimak car. Okay, guys, this reaction was today end. I hope this reaction you enjoy it and like and subscribe my channel for more entertainment and funny video on this channel. I make challenge with myself, with my life. I 1K subscriber in 2 months, but 1 month is gone, but my subscriber is only 1. Why? All of you, please share my video in your group, in your Facebook group, in your girlfriends, in your boyfriends, in your mother, in your sister, in your brother. Everyone share in your groups, please, and subscribe as well as possible. Goodbye. See you next video. Goodbye.